Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to generate odd person ID report and even person ID report from database tables into flat file destination using in SSIS. So here I have a table called person. It contains 1000 records, ID, first name, last name, email and gender. The structure of the tables if you see, so everything, every column data type is varchar with 50 length. If you want to generate only even records from your table, you have to apply where condition where id mod 2 is equal to 0. If you apply this one, you will get only even records. See here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, all these things. If you apply change the one and execute, you will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like this. So in this similar fashion, how we can do in SSIS package. So what transformation we have to use for implementing the same logic to generate the odd and even reports. I will show in this demo. My SSIS package. First, I am dragging the data flow task. So since my source is person table, I am using the OLEDB source. Double click to configure. Go to new. Select your database. OK, and select your table, that is person table, and go for columns. So everything, all columns are appeared here. Now drag the conditional split. Conditional split, yeah, conditional split, and connecting with your OLEDB source. Double click to configure. So I already showed the logic in SQL, but here if you apply the same logic to is equal to 0, it will work, but it will throw error by showing the red color. That is something wrong in your condition, because I already shown the structure of the columns. All these are integer, all these are varchar. So ID is also varchar. So we need to convert this ID into data, integer data type. For that, I am taking one. I'm taking I4. See here, there is no red color. So we are converting the varchar data type to integer data type, and I'm changing the name. It as even report. So if you want to generate two reports and write an expression condition to one report, obviously second one is the default other report, that is odd report. And click OK. So configuration is done for conditional split. And now drag your flat file destination. All even report are dumped into the flat file. Even records will dumped into the text documents. That is the even report. OK. Double click and select your table. We already created one text document for even. Browse. So here I am taking. We have to create one table, first file here for even records. I am creating even. So I am selecting this. OK. Columns, I want to columns in first row. Advanced. Now my column delimiter I want to tab down. Sorry, pipe delimited. For that I am taking vertical bar. And click OK. Mapping. So configuration is done for flat file. Now odd report I want to dump it to the Excel destination. drag extension connecting to conditional split, double click, take new, browse for Excel report. So here we need to create one new report, Excel sheet report, that is odd report, and I'm selecting this one. Click OK. Okay. Now and selecting the default is the sheet one. Sheet one. If you go for mappings, you haven't seen any columns as we seen in flat file destination. Why? Because we we have to create table. Until we create a table on Excel sheet, the number of columns did not be appear to for mapping. So I am creating the selecting the sheet one. Afterwards, I am by default it will create the structure. Just to change the name and data types as per your requirement. So here I am changing odd report and click rest of the features I haven't changed. And click OK. Okay. Now if you see mappings, select the odd report with dollar symbol and go for mappings. So here you appear columns, input columns and destination columns. So this is how you have to create the table structure for Excel at the time of the when your Excel destination is there. If you want to dump the report into Excel destination. So even though configuration there is some mismatches you observe. So because Excel destination supports only n-varchar, not varchar, but our source table, that is person table here, is completely varchar data types. So we need to do some conversion. For that I am dragging the data conversion, and deleting the connection and conditional split, and go to data conversion and select all columns. So for n-varchar type we have to take WSTR, because including ID column, every column has only one data type in source table, that is varchar. So I am changing it to n-varchar for compatibility to the Excel destination and connecting to Excel destination. Go to mappings and take the column symbol, copy of ID, copy of name, copy of last name, copy of email, copy of gender. Everything you have copied and go. So now there is no error here. So everything is done. So after executing this package, uh, event report is dumped with 500 records with tab delimited, and Excel also dumped with 500 records each. So I am running the package now. See your event report here. So it is with the third delimited, tab delimited, and second one art report. Art report also with the art person IDs. That is also 500 records. See here, second sheet. See 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So if you check the event report, it shows 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is how you need to create the ordered event reports from your database table. First you drag the OLEDB source and implement the logic and conditional split. Here my logic is I'm taking the ID mod is equal to 0 for event report. Default report will make it as a odd report. From then you need to do configuration for flat file restriction and configuration for Excel. For Excel, for compatibility, you need to use the data conversion to change the data types. That's what you do for getting the odd and even reports of any table into the destination using SSIS. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.